Children, how are you? Are you fine? I am also fine by God grace. Okay, today I have to discuss about real numbers, exercise number 1.1. Okay, right? First sum. Now start the first sum. First sum. Using Euclid's division lemma, division algorithm, to find HF of first sum 900 and 270. The second sum is 196 and 38220. Third sum is 1651 and 203. Are you understood? These three sums now we have to discuss. Right now, first sum, what is the 900 and 270? Now, first sum solution. Okay, given values. First you have to select a largest number. Let largest number is equal to 900, smallest number is equal to D is equal to 270. Largest number is equal A equal to 900 and the smallest number is equal to 270. Let largest number. What is the largest number? A is equal to 900 and smallest number equal to B. B equal to how much? 270. B equal to 270. By using Euclid division, Euclid's division algorithm, division lemma, by using Euclid division lemma, A is equal to what is the formula? BQ plus R. Where what is the condition? 0. Where 0 less than R equal to R less than B. So therefore, what is the value of A? A equal to 900 is equal to 270 into how many times? Exactly nearly 3. Plus what is the remainder? 273 are 810. 900 minus 810 is equal to how much? 90. So 90. Here Q is equal to how much? 3 and R equal to 90. Remainder is 90. Next again 270 out right here. 270 is equal to 90 write down here. 90 how many times? 3. 273 are plus 0. So 9 3 are 270. 270 equals 0. The remainder is 0. Here Q is equal to how much? Q is equal to 3 and R equal to how much? 0. So therefore, what is HCF? Remainder is 0. Then get the answer HCF. Therefore, HCF of 900 and 270 equal to how much? 90. This is the answer. Understood? Clear? Very simple. By using division algorithm. First you have to select a largest number, then select a smallest. Largest number is equal to A and smallest number is equal to 270 by using Euclid division lemma. Next, second sum also there. What is the second sum? Now second sum, again I have to explain. Next, sum number 2. Sum number 2 is equal to what is the value of sum number 2? Oh, first, what was given values? 196 and 382220. Now reduce. So what is the largest number? Very simple. 38222, right? Here, let largest number B. What is the largest number? A is equal to 38220, and B is equal to how much? B is equal to 196. Okay now, right? By Euclid division lemma, Euclid's division lemma, what is the formula? A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or less than B. Same formula. Again, right? Understood? So what is the A value? That implies 38220. What is the B value? 196. Into how many times? I don't know. So right here divisible by 38220 divided by 196. 196 ones are 196. What is the remainder? 6. So 7, 8. So 8, 1. Remainder 2. Next, nearly 9. 54, 5, 81, 86, 87, 70. What is the remainder? So 12, 4, 8. Here remainder is 90, 0. So again put down right. So how many times? 5. 5 is equal to 980. 980. So remainder is how much? 0. So how many times? 195 directly plus remainder is 0. Therefore here Q is equal to how much? Q is equal to 195 and remainder is equal to how much? 0. Therefore, what is the HF? Remainder is 0 coming 0. So therefore, HF of 196 and 38220 is 196. What is the answer? 196. Understood? Okay. Next, third sum. Now do the third sum. Sum number 3. Sum number 3. What was given sum number 3? Here, sum number 3, 1651 and 203. 1651 and 2032. Find HF. So by using Euclid division number. What is the largest number in this sum? Tell me. Largest number. First selected. Largest number is A, equal to how much? 2032. And the smallest number how much? B is equal to 1651. Smallest number is B equal to 1651. What was? By Euclid's division lemma, by Euclid division lemma, A is equal to what is the formula? Tell me. BQ plus R. Where? What is the answer? Where? 0 less than or equal to or less than B. Understood formula? Now what is the value of A? Same method. 2032 is equal to what is the B? 1651 into Q. How many times exist? Okay, 2032 divided by 1651. How many times? Only one times. 1651. What is the remainder? 1, 13, 5, 8. Here 9, 3. 381, 110. So 381 is the remainder. So 1s plus 381. Here Q is equal to how much? Q is equal to 1 and R is equal to how much? 381. Again write this is some next step. This number you have to write like this: 1651 is equal to, remind here right now, 381. Are you up to that? Okay. 381 how many times it is exist? So 1651 divided by how much? 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15 more. So 4s right now. 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32, 3, 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 15. Remain how much? 7 2 1. So 127. Right now plus how many times? 4 plus 127. Here in this step, here Q is equal to how much? Tell me. What is the value of K? Q is equal to 4. And what is the value of R? Equal to how much? 127. What is the R equal to 127? It is not coming 0. So again write the step. This step you have to write like this: 381 is equal to 127 into how many times? Here 3 sir. 127 is equal to 381. So plus remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. So here Q is equal to how much? Q is equal to 3 and R equal to how much? 0. Understood? Clear? Therefore HF of 1651 and 2032 is how much? 127. What is the answer? 127. Are you understood? Clear? The next. Now second sum already before video I have to explain already over. So now third sum I have given the solution. Sum number 3. Okay, understood? All of you? Right, clear. Now sum number 3. By using Euclid division lemma, sum number 3. Using Euclid division lemma, using Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. 3p or 3p plus 1. Are you understood? That's the question. Now solution. This solution. What is the value? First let second sum order. Let A and B are any positive integers. Any positive integer and B is equal to how much? 3 and B is equal to how much? 3. 3p plus 1 you have to show that. That's why I have to do. For some 4p plus 1 and you have to take 4. 5p is the here definitely you have to take B value 5. Are you understood? Next one now So by Euclid's division lemma, by Euclid division lemma, what is the formula? A is equal to BQ plus R, where what is the condition? 0 less than or equal to or less than B. Already learnt it before video, Euclid division lemma. Right now, what is that? So A is equal to, that implies, so A is equal to B value, how much it take? 3Q plus R, where 0 less than or less than 3. B value how much? You have to take 3. Okay na? Right. Therefore, the remainder. Therefore, what is the eligible for R? 0 less than or equal to or less than 3. Therefore, remainder R equal to 0, 1, 2 only. So, therefore, R value how much? 0 or 1 or 2. 3 divided by any number, the remainder is 0 or 1 or 2, but not more than 3. Okay? Therefore, if R equal to 0, then A equal to how much? 3Q plus 0 equal to 3Q. But here the square of any positive integer, now taking squaring on both sides, that implies A square is equal to 3Q whole square is equal to how much? 9, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides we get. What is answer? A square is equal to 9Q square. A square is equal to 9Q square equal to 3 into how much? 3Q square. So how much? 3 into 3Q square equal to letter P. Therefore, where P is equal to how much? Where P is equal to 3Q square. Okay, first step. Next, another step. Okay, case R equal 0. Next, if R equal to how much? 1. If R equal to 1, then A is equal to how much? Then A is equal to, what is the value of A? A equal to 3Q plus R value how much? 1 plus 1. Now, the square of any positive, again take A square is equal to how much? 3Q plus 1. A square is equal to how much? 3Q plus 1 whole square. What is the condition? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Both sides we get. Squaring on both sides. Here this is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square formula. A square plus 2AB plus B square. So that implies, right now, A square is equal to 3Q whole square plus 2 into 3Q into 1 plus 1 whole square. Since what is the formula? A plus B whole square formula, tell me, is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now using with this formula, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, what is the values? That implies A square is equal to 9Q square plus 6Q plus 1. First two term onwards you have to take 3. 3Q square plus 3 2s are 6Q plus 1 is equal to how much? Total term you let to P. 3P plus 1, where second case is P is equal to 3Q square plus 2Q addition. Are understood? 3P square with 3Q square plus 2Q belongs to some of the integer. So second case you have to write 3P plus 1. Another case also there. Third case also there. Third case means next third case. to how much? Third case r is equal to 2. Already 0 over 1. What is the remainder? 0, 1, 2. So 0 case I have to rewrite into the 3p. Form into 3p. R is equal to 1 case 3p plus. R is equal to E is also there. Then A is equal to how much? Then A is equal to 3q plus 2. Now again you have to take A square is equal to how much? 3q plus 2 whole square. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides will get A square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. This is also again, what is the value of A plus B whole square? A plus B whole square is equal to formula A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here write A square means 3q whole square plus 2 into 3q into 2 plus 2 whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. A means 3q, B means 2. Are you understood? Now 3 3 is 9q square plus 6 4 3 is 12q plus 4. Okay. Next step like this, right? First A square is equal to 9q square. First again rewrite this step. 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. 4 can be written in the form of 3 plus 1. Expand 3 plus 1. First 3 term onwards you have to take 3. 3 into 3q square. 3 4 is 12q plus 1 plus 1. Are you understood? Again 3 you have to multiply. Same answer. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 3 3 is 3 1 is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 and 4. Again same answer. So like this, the total term is equal to P. 3P plus 1. Where P is equal to how much is this? 3Q square plus 4Q plus 1. Are you understood? Okay? Right. This is 3P. So 3 cases also 3P are 3P plus 1 form. So hence N is P is any positive integer. P is any positive, A is any positive integer, A is any positive integer in the form of the square of P is any positive integer, the square of any P is any. Here the square of any positive integer either in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. Okay, now are you understood? This is the answer. Okay, right.